Today we'll be watching Chainsaw Man Episode 7. No idea what the name is, blah, blah, blah. We know what's about to happen, alright? He's about to go full Chainsaw Man mode. And hope he's going to kick some ass and get them freed from there. I don't know. It's been a weird couple episodes. As we know, if he does this right, he gets to kiss that one girl. And then he gets to go have sex with, what is it? I already forget her name. Makima? Yeah, that's it. I was calling her Hakima for a while. I'm pretty sure y'all noticed, but it is Makima, okay? My bad. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and let's get started before y'all get bored. Alright, so appears to be right where we left off. Power just saved Aki. After Aki saved Denji. Alright, yeah, I'm starting to remember what it is. I don't know. The whole week just kind of goes by and it's a blur. He jumped into the mouth. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! There we go! Chainsaw Man! Yeah, that wasn't his blood. Oh, the animation is great. Does his arm detach? Holy shit. No, but he can cut you up over and over. Wait, did they not know about his power? I guess he never demonstrated it. Yeah, he's a devil. Alright, so Denji's taking a lot of hits here. Oh, shit. What's his plan here? Oh, come on, no! Okay, I don't know what's gonna happen here, but obviously he's not gonna die, right? Is it the girl with the eye patch who gets the kid? No, I think it's the other one who got up out of her seat here. I forget who it is. I don't know. As usual, we get some fan service there. Still wondering when that's going to happen. I mean, yeah, she kind of treats him like a pet already. He's always reaching for her boobs. He's like, they already kissed that. Or no, he already touched her boob. And did they kiss? I forget. Yeah, I think they kissed, right? I don't know. This is episode 7. We only have 5 more after this. I really should just skip the opening when I have nothing to say, but seems like too much work. Ah, that is brutal. Okay, he can't feed off his own blood. Wait, is he feeding off a devil blood? That works? Oh, shit! That is one sadistic kid. I really hate that I put this off for 2 days.
木之内もまとも、スバルもまとも、佐々木もまとも。まともだから
So it's all the sane people that die? I mean, I guess. It's kind of a fact here. Lucky for us, Denji is insane.
まともか。
銃野郎を殺そうとしてる人がまともなわけないじゃないですか。
お前も銃野郎を殺したくて公安に入ったんだろう。その頭のネジはぶっ飛んでいるか。
ぶっ飛んでません。
そう。お前もだがな、銃野郎をぶっ殺したいなんて大体のデビルハンターが思ってる。
So the gun devil is just like this all-powerful devil they all want to just kill. Wait, did everyone in here die from that? I mean, it's possible, but I don't think so.
師匠、酒飲み好きですよ。
はい、それまとも。日々の積み重ねがネジを緩めんだ。毎月バディの墓参りに来てるようじゃネジは硬いままだぞ。俺は帰る。秋はまだまだ雑魚だから鍛えとけ。
ゆっくりやりますよ。
ゆっくりじゃダメだ。秋の野郎、本気で肉片集めてるだろう。あいつはそのうち銃野郎にたどり着くぞ。
So she's teaming up with Aki to go after the gun devil, but she didn't take into account Denji would be there. I wonder how they would have done this without Denji. I mean, he's just cutting up the gun, well, not the gun devil, the other one. I forget.
アキ君、一緒にさ、民間に転職しない？
Yeah, someone tells me he's not much of a private sector kind of person.
銃野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて、帰りはたまに映画行って、そういう毎日でいいじゃん。
Like in the opening? Are you guys just not allowed to do that?
でも、民間には絶対行きませんよ。杏仁豆腐もらいます。
Yeah, there's some people who just work for the state their whole lives. I mean, hell, President of the United States pretty much worked for the state his whole life. Or more like the state worked for him, if you know what I mean.
銃の悪魔と戦ったら、絶対ヤキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。だってヤキ君はかっこよくて、真面目で、優しくて、みんなみたいに普通の人だから。
So yeah, all those people were killed by the gun devil. That's more like it. Constant pain. Nope. There it is.
この男なら。
ひらめいたぜ。てめえが俺に切られて血流して、俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か。永久期間が完成しまったね。
He'll do anything to get laid, won't he?
これでノーベル賞は俺もんだぜ。
He is just having the time of his life. I don't know what's better for him. Having sex with Makima or fighting the gun devil. Okay, what now? Are they just on repeat for this? They're just constantly hearing him suffer and it won't end? Yeah, they're all resting at this point. What the hell?
どのくらい経ちましたか？
あれから3日くらいかな。
3 whole days.
みんなで酒飲みに行こう。終わったからちょっと眠るわ。
May as well do that. Constantly causing him pain. Alright, so reveal where your heart is already. Was that your nutsack? Oh, they escaped. It looked like a nutsack, not...
10の悪魔の肉片も取れたし、晴れてるし、クソした後みてえな気分だぜ。
So that was the gun devil. They just killed the gun devil. And now Denji gets his rewards, right?
ねえちょっとずっと寝ずに悪魔殺し続けてたからね。
So he fought for 3 days with no rest.
残り2人で今回のことを報告しに行って。
新人歓迎会。
そう4課全員集まったことないしさ、親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ。
問題？
それがさ、小紅ちゃんと新井くんが公安やめるっつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなくデンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろうけど。
姫が殺そうとしてたじゃないですか。
ねえ、そんく
What
らい
could
でや
they
めち
say?
ゃうんだわ。今
They're
の子は
desperate.
ずうずうしく行きましょうよね。飲みの場ならささっとデンジ君に謝れるし、小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められるでしょ。
あんた飲みたいだけでしょ。
Well, she wants a smoke and a beer.
飲むんなら絶対に今週ですね。
なんで？
どうせ飲むならマキマさんと飲みたい。
Yeah, you still gotta think for Makima.
来週からマキマさん京都出張。
Oh wait, he doesn't know what she promised Denji. Oh,
だから飲むなら今週がいい。
I swear that woman is so fucking manipulative.
正直さ、デンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだし、あんな姿も初めて見たよ。
The chainsaw devil.
一番謎なのが、あのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。マキマさん、あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ。デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも。
What secret? I mean, do you mean the chainsaw thing? Yeah, she knows about that. That's why she recruited him in the first place. Oh, they're all gonna get drunk. I usually just drink at home. The other night I drank like how many shots? I forget. Maybe 11, 12. Couldn't walk straight for the next 36 hours, but I did it anyway.
パフェ3つ、あと白玉温泉3つで。
こんな美味しいご飯初めて食べました。
コペちゃんお金ほとんど家入れてるもんね。たくさん食べな。
誰なんですか？唐揚げは全部わしのじゃ。
Oh god, power. I like her. I do. I mean, she kind of betrayed Denji, but I like her. In spite of that.
ほら、若いんだからもっと頼め。食え。
あーくそ、読める漢字が少ねえ。
He can't read kanji?
キスの件は。
Oh yeah, she promised him that.
もっと酔ったらしてあげる。
Oh god.
ましてやるからさ。デンジ君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。超。
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介。名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え。
公共の場で契約している悪魔を言うな。手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。
I mean, I don't think he cares.
硬いやつだな。
まあ大丈夫でしょう。
私は趣味聞きたいな。趣味で人間わかるでしょ。
俺デンジ。年は確か16。趣味は
Does he not remember his birthday?
寝るの。
やば、バカ。
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
Just he.
私は荒井宏和です。
Okay, so he's 16. How old's everybody else?
趣味は俳句です。
How old's Makima for that matter?
契約してる悪魔同じじゃん。狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だから、たくさんのデビルハンターと契約している。
狐の頭はイケメンしか使えないんだよ。あの悪魔、面食いだから。
東山小紅です。20歳です。
I'm not even paying attention to the names because I know I'm not going to remember them.
秘密で趣味は美味しいものを食べることです。
服かわいいよね。
服はお姉ちゃんのお下がりです。
おりょう
8 sisters? Holy shit.
昨日亡くなりました。
南無阿弥陀仏。
Wait, what?
方言下教。
先輩もう酔ってるな。
Yeah, already
そ
wasted.
んな簡単に死ぬんですか。
民間で無理だった悪魔が公安に任されるからな。
Usually it's the other way around. The private sector will deal with things that the public sector can't.
レ
I
ン
don't
ジ
know.
君は私
Japanese
と
logic.
キスしたいから死なないもんね。
Oh, is she gonna do
姫
it?
の酔えばキス魔になるんだ。ここにいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
She's kissed everybody there?
確定
Oh
キスじゃ
god.
ん。
Reminds me of a girl I knew in college.
ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？
Oh!
キマさん。
Makima.
すいません。生一つお願いします。
So how old is she again?
ここにどうぞ。
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。
デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
I don't think she cares.
すいません。
I knew a girl in college. Her thing was she would just kiss as many guys as she could.
それで
Somehow she avoided mono.
姫野さんとキスするとか、マキマさんに見られたくない。
She doesn't give a flying
でも
fuck.
同じくら
I
い強い気持
guarantee
ち
it.
でやっぱりベロキスしたい。今は一旦話をそらすしかねえ。マキマさん、俺さ、銃の悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ。
聞いたよ。デンジ君はすごいね。
前までこんな速いペースで肉片を持つ悪魔は現れませんでした。この間のデンジを狙った悪魔といい、最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ。マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか。
Oh, there's her chest.
私より何だろう
She downed that.
すいません、生2つ。
I never do this in public. The reason why is because it's extremely expensive.
唐揚げ。
Yeah, she is a beast. Oh my god.
でもすごいよパワちゃん。殺人衝動を抑えられてる魔人はとっても少ないんだよ。
私は IQ が高いからな。
IQ で決まるの？そういうの。IQ どのくらいあるの？
100？
100って高いの？私も確か100ぐらいだったけど。
She has an average
じゃあ
IQ.
120じゃん。
フシさんは高いんだよ
Then
ね。
it was 120.
確か
Oh, no, she's lying. She's
わざ
lying.
わざ覚えてるあたり自慢に思ってそう。
わしは確か500じゃったか。
500? That's not real. Oh! What the? I am not showing that. That is a little
マ
intense.
キマさんに見られた。でもなんだ。この感触がした。気持ちいい。柔らかい。柔らかい。なんだこれ。した？
Oh my god, no!
じゃない。ゲロだ。
Oh my god!
何か拭くものを。
She threw up in his mouth!
デンジは口に入れた栄養になればもう飲み込む癖があるんじゃ。
Well, thank you all for not showing that.
落ちた。
That was awesome. So, wait, they censored it. They censored the vomit. Now that I think about it, what? It's still censored. What?
見ろ、落ちた。
So all that blood is okay, but vomit isn't? Well, that aged poorly. Oh my god. Well, you gotta kiss her with tongue, but she just happened to throw up there.
お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなかったがな。羨ましいよ。
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。それを羨ましい。
You know, I remember my first kiss. That, well, it was very nice, actually. Very nice.
人のお金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね。
It was right there, actually. I've been in this house a long time.
あれ、デンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負
My
って
bad
連
was
れて
facing
行きま
this.
した
I'm not telling anybody anything. Yeah.
暗い。
Wait, dark room.
ここ。
She carried him elsewhere.
水。
What happened?
そういえば、ゲロ女にゲロキスされたんだ。ちくしゃー。
How drunk were they?
水。
Oh no, 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 don't tell me. Again? Is she about to...
デンジ君なんで私ん家にいんの？私が連れてきたんだっけ？
Yeah, you brought him there. Now, why'd you do it?
クラクラする。なんじゃこりゃ。
So she kissed him
そういや
again.
君、マキマさんのことラブでしょ。
Well, yeah, no shit.
クラクラする。
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキくんもあんな照れちゃってさ。もう牛。
What are you gonna try to do here? Don't do it. Don't. Oh. I am very worried right now. What'd she whisper to him?
しちゃう。
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, no! Oh! Another new ending. An ending based on her. Okay, so not only is he gonna get it from Makima, he's gonna get it from her too. Now keep in mind, Makima already promised him sex. But now she's gonna do it too. Kimembo, I think that's what her name is. I don't know. I don't. This, you know, I was literally talking to my supervisor. Well, not my supervisor, team leader who becomes supervisor sometimes earlier, and he's all like, "Yeah, Chainsaw Man, great show. It's all like harem and fan service though." And I'm like, "Is it harem? I don't think so." Or is that what he said? I don't know. All I know is that she's offering. Oh, look at that! Oh my god! You know what? That's the thumbnail right there. That's gonna be the thumbnail. I just gotta get rid of the credits, and I'm sure there's a creditless version somewhere. She's like, wanna do it? Do what? At least they all had a good time drinking, right? And there's no after credit scene. I'm gonna need a few minutes to collect everything and then discuss what the fuck just happened. Okay, first of all, it is Wednesday, not Thursday, which means I should have watched this yesterday, not today. How do I put this? I am dumbfounded by what happened here. Okay, I still have a bit of a cough. I'm dumbfounded by all of this. All right. It seems like every girl's throwing themselves at him right now. So maybe my supervisor did say harem. I don't know. I'm not going to put him on blast, but it's like, okay, so Power lets him squeeze her boobs 3 times. And keep in mind, she had those breast pads in there. I don't know why the fuck she did that. I am still very confused and would love to know why. I guess she wants men to touch her, or she wants men to think she have big boobs, so they'll go after her. I don't know. I don't know. She got like half the workforce in there with her. I don't know, but next, Makima is offering to sleep with him because he killed the gun devil. We'll see if that happens or not. And then this bitch right here with the eye patch, Kimembo or some, I don't know. I'll be sure to say the name properly as I learn it. She says, okay, if you kill the gun devil, I will kiss you. And she used tongue, and she made it very nice. And then she threw up in his mouth, which was censored. Oh my God. You know, just as I was looking this up, there was like an article on Google that said, Chainsaw Man censored its most disgusting part. I'm like, oh, I better watch this before I read that. I think that article is probably talking about, you know, vomit, which I guess vomit is too far for even Chainsaw Man. Yeah, so be it. I can't believe Denji was using his powers for 3 days straight. He definitely needed a rest after that. All this beer's not good for him, but he earned it. Well, I don't think he drank beer, did he? Or it's right there. It shows that he's drinking beer, even though he said he was drinking tea. I mean, the legal age of drinking in Japan is 18. Right? Unless you're a Marine stationed there, then you have to be 21. Yeah, I mean, it never really is. But I've never been to Japan, so I never did that. But I know guys who did. One thing's for sure. She is now really into him, at least in a physical way right now. And she's just in bed with him. She kisses him again. She takes him back to her apartment. Everyone just kind of lets her take him back to his apartment. And she's like, want to do it? I guess? Sure? What would I say in that situation? I don't know. I'm being molested by this woman. You know, last time I was molested by a woman, it was consensual. But, you know, I'm not going to get into my personal life. No, I'm not. My bed is right there. You don't just imagine it. Imagine an attractive woman in my bed and see, and, you know, I'm laying there and see what happens when she molests me. I've said too much. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell. And I'm wondering what's going to happen in the next episode. My God, there are no previews, which personally I prefer. No previews, so no spoilers. Stay tuned, everybody. I know I will. Oh, and I guess tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. Even though I'll probably be posting this tomorrow on Thanksgiving, so I guess happy Thanksgiving to all of you today. All right? And yes, I can say happy Thanksgiving, not happy holidays. All right, because Thanksgiving's not on that, or is it? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna get all PC like that. Have a good night, everybody, and happy Thanksgiving.